Do you like pumpkin pie, but don't like the fact that it's loaded with calories, fats, and sugar? Well, I have a version of this holiday treat that is nutritious, delicious, fast, and easy. So if you're looking for a festive dessert that even fits special diets, including low carb, vegetarian, low fat, even keto, well, look no further. Hi, I'm Harry of RealNutritionMD. What I like to do here is share realistic approaches and tips that you can do right now to improve your health and overall wellness. Let's begin. Let me warn you, I am not a cook, and this is the first time I'm doing a video like this, so there'll probably be a lot of bloopers. Pause it. Come on! What I'm making for you today is a pumpkin pie, and you make it in a microwave. So it's gonna be fast and easy. And right here, we'll start off with the dry ingredients. Over here, I have a half teaspoon of baking powder. I have a teaspoon of non-nutritive sugar. You can use anything like erythritol, monk fruit. I like to use allulose. These are all natural, non-nutritive sweeteners. Pumpkin spice, you can't have pumpkin pie without pumpkin spice. A scoop of whey protein. Next we have are the wet ingredients. We'll start over here. That is a pat of butter, 2 egg whites, or 6 tablespoons if you like more specific measuring. Last but not least, we have the pumpkin puree. Let's add the ingredients. First we start off with the dry stuff, and we put it in this bowl over here. The baking powder. And boop, the non-nutritive sweetener. Okay, that goes in, very simple. Pumpkin spice, forgot to mention that this is a half teaspoon. Okay, toss that in there. You got the whey protein. All right, so what I like to do is just mix that all up, and no magical, impressive chef skills being displayed here by any means. All right, so when that's nice and incorporated, we want to add the wet ingredients. Pat of butter, the egg whites, 6 tablespoons. All right, the pure pumpkin puree. All right, probably use a spoon here. Okay, what I like to do here is just mix it up by spoon. Because what we need to do first is put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds because we need to melt this butter. All right, so come with me. Let's go to the microwave. I don't like to make things too complicated. Just toss it in there and set it for 30. Got a quick button. Done. All right. Well, we're not done. What we need to do now is give a good, nice mixing. So let's head on back over here. Okay. All right. So I'm going to do this for a bit, and it does take a while. That's one of the things with whey protein in particular. You need to work it quite a bit. You know what I'm saying? This will actually make it more fluffy, not less. So while I'm doing this, let me go talk about the benefits of pure pumpkin puree and pumpkin in general. This is RealNutritionMD after all. It's loaded with nutrients. I mean, it has lots of vitamins, lots of minerals. It's full of fiber, but I want to discuss something that's more relevant, especially during this time, and that's the COVID-19 pandemic. One particular nutrient that's in here is beta-carotene. It is it's probably more well known in carrots, and it's supposed to be good for your eyes, and that is very true. But beta-carotene, when we ingest it, it converts into vitamin A. And if you don't know what vitamin A is, it's a fat-soluble vitamin that is a powerful antioxidant. And the latest studies have shown that vitamin A will strengthen your intestinal lining. And about 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. So do yourself a favor and have some of this pumpkin pie, and you will increase the resistance to infection. Okay, this looks like it's pretty good right now. So as you can see, you've been looking over here. It's very runny. It is very runny, so don't worry about it. It will fluff up and set in the microwave. Okay, so let's go ahead and head over there right now. This is where you're going to have the need to watch. Everything is dependent on the power, the wattage of your microwave. But I would like to say you would be heating this up anywhere from 1 minute to, I'll say, even 2 minutes. One of the things that's going to happen here is that it's going to rise. But don't worry, it'll set and it'll hold its shape. All right, so let's go ahead and start it off on 130. Okay. Okay, we're about 30 seconds into this, and this is where I start really watching. It should start rising, which I see it doing right now. And like most microwaves, the center really does not set until the very end. And I don't necessarily think that's a bad thing, because what you end up is more like a pumpkin pie lava cake. And I love that. So. But if you want it cooked all the way through, just add more seconds to it. All right? Okay, it is 2-1. This is 90 seconds. Okay. So as you can see, it is risen quite a bit. So what I'll do now is I will pull it out carefully. I got a plate. Okay. So what I usually do is grab it really quick. It's hot. And turn it over and check it out. Ooh, there it is in all its beauty. It is super fluffy. Okay, like I said, it is a little runny on the inside. I should have let it go on a little more, but I like it. I like it like this. So let's go cut into it and see what it looks like. I normally have my pumpkin pie with whipped cream, but we don't have any right now, so maybe I'll use my special effects skills so that it'll just pop up and go boop. Mmm, delicious. You know what, let's use a spoon, because this will show you how tender and moist it really is. So let's go ahead and cut this through. So as you can see, it is spoon cuttable. It is almost like a chiffon cake. And as you can see, it is super moist, and it's a little runny on the inside, but this is where the lava comes in, and you will lava it. All right, now here's a taste test. Let's see. Now that is delicious. So there you have it, a pumpkin pie lava cake. That's nutritious, delicious, fast, and easy. I hope you give this a try. Till